And for the final major dollar pairs, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. Starting off with USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structure in towards the downside, and this is our current swing range. We liquidated this high over here before seeing that demand chain fail, creating supply. However, the most recent supply zone did get broken, and this is now the area of demand, which is in control on the daily. If we move down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we had our initial break of structure towards the downside over here. We had another break of structure towards the downside over here. But then we had a break of structure towards the upside. So this is currently my swing range. And according to market structure, any liquidation of these lows over here should be the fuel to start pushing price back in towards the highs. However, I do not favor a USD long position on USD Swiss. I would prefer a USD or a Euro USD short or a GBP USD short. I think that USD Swiss is got a lot of room for some downside once we start to see some de-escalation. So what I'll be looking for that is a break of this low and then a retest, and any point of liquidity within this leg, I'll then be looking to short from there. So it's a no trade pair for me at the moment until I see the development that I'm looking for. If we move on to USD Yen, we can see that we're currently still trading within this supply zone, which is relatively strong because it liquidated this high over here. I'm still anticipating a intervention as we are trading above the 160 level. So at any point in the near future, I do see this start to push down very aggressively. If we move on to USD CAD, we can see that on the daily, we've had a break of structure. This is our current swing range. We liquidated this high over here and then seen that strong sell-off in towards the downside. However, we didn't quite manage to break these lows. And if we move down onto the 4-hour time frame, this is likely because we were still swing bullish. We will swing bullish from this break over here. So this was our swing range. And after liquidating some of the major points of liquidity within this overall impulse, we've seen that supply chain fail, creating demand chains that were just pushing price in towards the upside. If we move down onto the 1-hour time frame, this becomes more clear. As you can see, the most recent swings in structure are here with a break on the 1 hour, followed by another break. So this is currently my swing low, and this is currently my swing high. If we see a liquidation of this low, I would be happy to look for any potential long opportunities to target the weak swing high on the 4-hour time frame.